This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable JavaScript on the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To enable or disable JavaScript, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane, off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then in the center pane, you want to scroll down to where you see the Permissions section. And right down below there, Enable JavaScript. If this box right here is checked, then JavaScript is enabled. If you uncheck it, JavaScript is disabled. That is how to enable or disable JavaScript on the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.